Legends of the Quarter Mile. Brian Young with ProTinkerToy.com. Another car. We have a series. This assortment is 4 different cars. This is the second one. The first one we did was the Don Garless 1971 Dodge Charger funny car, which we took it out of the pack. But I'm not taking every one out of the package. You'll get, these are basically 4 gears. Watch the Don Garless car, and that will show you taking the car apart. But this is the second one. This is a U.S. Marines 1974 Pontiac Grand Am funny car. Okay, so these can be used on your drag strip. I have my John Force drag strips, and then there's a new drag strip coming out later this year. All right, so this is another car. There's 4 of them in this series, and this is the first one. The Don Garless is the 4th car in the series. Okay, and these are 4 gear, and they're great for the drag strips. Okay, now, I mean, you can put them on a regular track, but they're designed as a drag strip. Okay, because they're a faster car, and there's 4 of them in the series, and these are 4 gear from Auto World.